You can see Russian bot farms that we know work to manipulate our social media, and that has been
Well,
revealed.
talk about that in some detail. So, what bot farm? What is that exactly? How widespread is it? What is it doing, and where?
So this is where you take you program you take computer programs that masquerade as Twitter accounts, for example, and they do lots of different things. Sometimes they will just uh, either tweet out or otherwise message out sort of spam in such volume as to drown out other voices. But a lot of the time, what they do is they will repeat Russian messages from lots of different accounts that appear to be independent accounts. So they seem to be corroboration of the Russian narrative, but they're actually all computer programs that are not, they're not even humans, and they're controlled by Russia. I am
It's a
not the
mimicking of a bottom-up process.
right. I'm not the expert on this. Lots of people on both sides of the political aisle have written about this. There's a lot of technical detail about this, and you can find a lot of. This is not questionable. This is going on is not in question.
Any idea how extensive it is? Like, if you're on Twitter, do you have any sense of what proportion of responses that you might be subject to would be?
I don't know. One of the things that's happened is we got wise to this especially after the 2016 election, when the U.S. became, and I don't want to get into that whole election controversy. There are aspects of what was going on that are not in question, including that there were Russian bot farms sending messages, and that they were exposed, and the cyber details are clear of what they were, and so on. As we became aware of that activity, we, the U.S., the social media companies like Twitter and others started to get very aggressive about developing algorithms to detect when something was a bot and shut them down. So I believe that we're probably subjected to a lot less of this than we were a few years ago. Because, and again, I don't want to get into issues of social media blocking individual humans, because that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about, these are machines, and it is possible to detect that something is a machine and not a human, and then to shut it down. And that's one of the things that's been going on. So the social media companies have been doing good work in trying to reduce the number of these things and fight them. So I think you're probably subjected to less of it now than you were in a few years ago. But it's still out there. It's still going on.